Hey guys, Jeremy here from the School of Wok Covent Garden. Now this series is all about tofu. One of those things that perhaps some people don't like or say they don't like, but for me, it's actually not knowing how to cook with it or deal with it. We're working with Tofoo, brilliant brand, great friends of ours, and this series is all about how to use tofu properly. This week's Saturday special, following on with the tofu series, is a crispy tofu or tofu with a toasted coconut and kaffir lime leaf crunch around the edge. Kind of like a take on a salt and pepper tofu. I bet you can't wait. So coriander, garlic, kaffir lime. Everything's going to be sort of roughly chopped or finely sliced. I'm going to go quite heavy with the coriander at the end. Just going to leave that there for now. Kaffir limes, these are frozen kaffir limes. Frozen kaffir limes, always better than your dry. Because when they defrost, they come out nice and fresh. Nice long strips of kaffir lime. Just turn around and give them a very rough chop. In fact, I'm going to put that with the garlic. So roughly chop your garlic. I don't mind if it's a little bit chunky and nice and rough, so that's going to go in along with my kaffir limes. And then your fresh red chilli. I've actually got this little guy here from our chilli plant. So I'm going to go for nice fine slices of red chilli. If you don't want it too spicy, then I'd suggest maybe a larger chilli and just cut into sort of bigger chunks. But that's going to go, I like my food spicy, so that's going to go straight in there. Coriander for the end. The only thing I have to do now is toast off my desiccated coconut, get that nice and golden brown, and the rest is really easy. So the desiccated coconut can go straight into the wok or frying pan, just nice and dry, no oil. Be careful with this, it can catch very quickly. It might look like it's not really doing much at the beginning, but make sure you look after it. So as soon as it starts to catch, it changes colour very, very quickly. That's why you want to move it around constantly to try and get an even sort of brown or golden brown colour on your desiccated coconut. That really brings out the flavour of the coconut, and the rest is really simple. We've got Tofoo's crispy tofu, which is essentially like a breadcrumbed tofu here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pieces, I'm going to chop them up a little bit. I still want good sized bites of tofu. We're going to crisp these up. You can put them in the oven if you wish, but I'm going to crisp them up in the wok. It's almost just a reheating job here. A little bit of oil. Just start to carefully pop the pieces of tofu into the oil. So you want to turn them just so you get both sides nice and sort of re-crisped. You can see how easily that's crisped up with the breadcrumbs around the edge of the tofu. I might put a little bit of oil back into the wok just so they cook through nicely. Just drizzle that around the edge. That will sip into the wok. And of course, if you can't find this tofu with the crisp edge, you can take just a firm tofu and sort of batter it kind of pane, so you just need a bit of flour, egg or milk or water, and then some breadcrumbs, and you'll make that sort of same crisp edge to the tofu. But obviously if you're lucky enough to get this tofu, then this is the way to do it. So that's cooking through nicely now, and I can see just by pressing into the tofu that it's softening up inside, showing me or telling me that it's cooking through nicely. So at this point, once you've crisped up both sides, about 1 to 2 minutes on both sides, then we're going to remove that, and I'm going to start to bring the rest of the flavours in, and it's a quick toss of the tofu in the seasoned garlic, chilli, and the toasted coconut and kaffir lime to finish. Simple as that. So this is crisped up nicely. I'm just going to get that out of the wok. Ready for later. So it's really quick from here. All I need is a little bit of oil to baste the wok. My Kaffir lime, roughly chopped garlic, and my chili is going to go in. My toasted coconut is going to go in just before the tofu. Tofu goes in, salt, pepper, sugar, toss, 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 out. Make sure that garlic cooks really nicely. Try to hold your breath just on that chili, especially if it's a hot one. Just going to add a little bit more oil to that. That garlic is crisping up nicely. You just want to cook out the sort of rawness of it. Right, we're going to go on a high heat from here on in. My toasted coconut, a good amount of salt and pepper. I'm just lifting it off the heat here just so I don't choke up. Good amount of salt, pepper, a pinch of sugar as well. That'll bring out the sweetness of the Kaffir lime. Back on the heat, my tofu's in, and then it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tosses or so. Switch that off. Coriander leaves all over the top of that. And then straight out with that crispy tofu. Save some of the good stuff for the top. You can see all this. You can see how quickly I moved with that because I didn't want any of it to burn. It's my slightly more exotic version of a salt and pepper tofu. That Kaffir lime, the coriander, and the toasted coconut. I love that. It's like a dinner version of sweet and salty popcorn. Really tasty, and all that crunch works really well with the crispy tofu. If you like this recipe and you want to learn more, don't forget to if you like this recipe and you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.